Hello everyone on YouTube. In this video I will be reacting to Nona's latest track, Honk. It is the dance video or dance performance if you want to call it that. This will be really good. I loved the song, the official music video. I have a reaction to that. It is on my channel. Please check that out as well. Honk dance video. The choreo from what I saw in the music video looked really good. I love this song. I know a lot of the orchids do as well. Let's get it. Honk. The girls, Shaz, Viola, Esther, Christy. Okay. Mirror. Uh-huh. Sorry for pausing already so soon, but I just want to say the way that they move as a group, no one does it better than them. They can move together so well and they flow so well. I love this song, man. And the cardio is so good. Like, do you see what I mean? Like, the way that they move as a group, as four. The cardio fits into that so well. Like, especially that, like, when they like join up, same thing happened in rollerblade. Like, it doesn't work if they're not like in a group doing it, and they make it look so good. Like, it just makes you want to move your body and dance. I'm gonna go back a bit. Beep, beep. Hey. N-O-N-A. Your license plate. Beep, beep. Christy, man. Christy. She makes the flips and the whole, like, gymnastics, like how she puts that into cardio. She makes it look so effortless, man. Christy. So smooth. Great cardio. Party. Honk. Great word, man. And like everyone on the side, they just going on, like, I mean, all the extras in the video, they just going on with the live. And they on the on the right as well. The honk. This was an amazing dance video. I love the music video. Seeing the full-on cardio. Man, I've never listened to a song that genuinely just makes me want to go to a party. Like, I hear this and I want to go out partying. I'm just gonna watch it back one last time. I say last time, but I'll be watching this probably every day. Or at least listening to the song, man. I love that sound. The honk. I like the honk sound. The deck is so cool. Like for me, a deck is like one of the best dances for me. Beep beep. Hey. When on your license plate. Esther's voice, by the way, I just want to say this. Esther's voice, it's so unique, and every time she sings, like, it just honestly really stands out like a lot. Violet's acting, so good. Love to party. I love it. I love the song, man. I love the song and the cardio. The choreography is so good. Let me know what you guys think of the cardio and the song. Are you guys excited for the latest or for the upcoming album? Island Girl. It's dropping in September. I'm not sure on what date exactly, but I will be here. I will be here reacting to the full album when it does drop. A lot of the singles that they have released, it's on the album already, but there will be a lot of new tracks, and I'm excited for that. Let me know if you guys enjoyed my reaction. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Peace, and bye.